So today's video is going to show you how to get the best foundation for under your lace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into the video. So I received some products from the hair Junky, and I'm so excited to give you guys my thoughts because I've tested the products already and they work pretty good. So this product that I'm holding right here is their liquid gold finishing gloss spray. It's lightweight, protects from heat damage, leaves hair shiny and silky and smooth. It's also infused with coconut oil. This next product is the argan oil hair treatment. You can use it daily and also leave it in. It's super enriched with vitamin E, which is good for your hair. It's also made in Australia and it says it's cruelty free. This next product that I'm holding is a super sleek edge control. It says that it has a firm hold, it's non-flaking, no buildup, and alcohol free. The slogan on it is "Where hair goes meet reality." So I think that's pretty cute. So my hair has already been washed, shampooed, and conditioned. I'm just showing you guys what it really looks like in its natural state. Y'all, haven't worn my hair on camera in so long. I definitely need to get it combed out. So first I'm going to start off with the heat protectant. Oh, I hit myself in the head. I'm going to start off with the heat protectant so that when I blow dry it, it won't damage my hair. I tried to put little to none heat on my hair. Also, this smells amazing. All of their products smell really good. Right now I'm just trying to evenly disperse it through my hair so that it can be covered. Now I'm going in with the vitamin E treatment oil. I don't want my hair to be brittle under my wig because if it's just sitting there like that under the wig, it can get brittle. That's how my hair gets. So I make sure to put this in my hair, and the first time I did it, it helped it out a lot. So right now I'm just parting it and I'm gonna comb it out and blow dry it. So this part is pretty much like, you know, common sense. So I'm gonna just let you guys finish watching it and then I'll be back in the video to tell you guys about some more stuff. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looks like when it's blow dried. I really recommend the vitamin E oil and also the gloss spray because it's so healthy for your hair and your hair needs all those vitamins and stuff like that. A lot of people ask me what does my hair look like from using the Ghost Bond glue. My temples are bald, but that's not from the Ghost Bond glue or anything, or not from wearing wigs, nothing like that. It's because I used to wear sew-ins long time ago and I used to part my hair on that side and do a leave out, so that's why it looks like that. But right now I'm just parting my hair and I'm about to start the braiding process. Of course I'll show you how I braid and my techniques, so stay tuned. So as you can see, it's just normal braids straight to the back. You don't want to pull on your hair too hard to pop your hair, but you at least want it tight enough to where it's super flat. And this is where the technique comes in. About halfway through my head, I pull up the last strand I just did, put it in with the middle one, pull the rubber band out, and continue braiding. This will keep you from having a bunch of single strand braids straight to the back. That can definitely make your wig bulky. It is definitely a difference. So if you guys like this way, you are definitely welcome to do it. I mean, it's not like I invented it, but I think this is really the best way to do it. So I'm just going to braid it all the way down, and I'm going to keep doing that. I am going to show you how it looks from the back. So I'll braid my hair facing backwards so you guys can see how I do it as well. So now that I'm done braiding, I am going to slick my edges down with the super sleek edge control. I'm going to give you my thoughts on this, but before I do, I am going to wipe off my makeup around the perimeter of my forehead so that when I put my hair on, it's going to stick. Now getting into my thoughts of this edge control. This is good for natural hair. Like, it will hold your hair no matter how curly your hair is. Mine's is straight, but my grandmother has curly hair, so I'll do a video showing you guys that it really holds. But it's, like I said, it's good for natural hair. But do not try to put this on your weave because it gets really oily and it doesn't have a strong hold. So that's just my opinion on it. You guys can definitely try it out. Like I said, it's good for natural hair, but I wouldn't use it on my weave. But yes, you guys, this is the process of me prepping my hair before my lace. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in for more videos.